I don't need you, babe. I just love you, baby. I'll get over you, babe. It's a lyric place. I'm just saying, I just think that you should know. I'm just saying, I just think that you should know.
Yeah, I see a second try, hoping I recognize all the mistakes I did. Forgive us, just some second lines. But then I kinda grew up to figure out that what we had was kinda special. Why did I doubt? Why did I force myself to give you up? I didn't, cause all I ever did to make it go was keep forgiving. Stuck in a corner with myself, I'm trying to figure out that all we ever did to fight was all because of doubt. Why do we really doubt the persons that we love? It's kind of wrong, but love is kind of strong, so it's maybe forcing its own, cause we're afraid to lose it. But then sometimes it kinda hurts, so we don't choose it. Love makes you happy, love makes you cry, makes you protect and even tell a lie. Why do we suffer when all it does is love? I don't know why, but it's wrong.
I don't need you, babe. I just love you, baby. I'll get over you, babe. It's a lyric place. I'm just saying, I just think that you should know. I'm just saying, I just think that you should know.
Yeah, I'm reminiscing about those times that we had together. Keep looking back in the casket on all the written letters. Was it right? Was it wrong? Was it not a chance? If it was still, would we happily be holding hands? Would it be us or would I still be without you? I take it back and I never even doubt you. It's maybe wrong to be looking back in the past, but it all happened so fast, cause baby it didn't last. I wasn't gonna take it cause I knew I was mistaken, but every time I saw your face my hands started shaking. It made me realize how happy you once made me, but now it's gone like the dark, it is shady. I wanna let it go, so I'ma let it. I just wanted to make sure that I would never be regretting. One last breath, all I need you looking at me. This is goodbye, live on, go girl, be happy.
I don't need you,